Namaste bachcho. Today we'll start with a new chapter, chapter number 5, and the name of the chapter is Nirali Deepavali. Here Nirali means unique and Deepavali, as you all know, it is one of the famous festival of our country. So let's start with the summary of this lesson. This is a short story about an old lady named Chinnamma, her daughter, and the children of a colony who collected money and helped Chinnamma for her daughter's treatment. The main theme of the story is that the way the children are brought up in a family, the same way they will behave with other people. So instead of leading a selfish life, we should help the people in their difficult times. So kids, live together, be honest to yourself and help each other. Now let's start this chapter. You can see we have Kathin Shabd, that means difficult words. The first one is Nirali, means unique, Pareshan, worried, Vispot, explode, Ilaj, treatment, Naraz, angry, and the last one is Samuchi, meaning whole. Now let's read this chapter. Here you can see Path Pravesh, that means lesson introduction. The first line, प्रस्तुत पाठ में बताया गया है कि बच्चों को जैसे संस्कार दिए जाते हैं वैसे ही उनका व्यवहार होता है. That means in this lesson it says that the way the children are brought up, they behave in the same manner. जब चिन्नम्मा की बेटी का हाथ जल जाता है तब उस कॉलोनी के बच्चे पटाखों के लिए जमा किए गए पैसों से उसका इलाज करते हैं. The meaning is that when Chinnamma's daughter burned her hand, the children of that colony, they collected the money which they saved for buying crackers. Now let's read this chapter. Here, the first line, चिन्नम्मा आलोक के घर में काम करती थी. The meaning is Chinnamma worked in Alok's house. रोज की तरह उस दिन भी वह काम पर आई. So as usual, on that day she came to Alok's house. परंतु आज उसकी आंखों में आंसू थे. But today she had tears in her eyes. वह परेशान भी दिख रही थी and she looked worried too. Next paragraph. मम्मी ने जब उससे पूछा तो उसने बताया. That means when Alok's mother asked Chinnamma, she said, पटाखों की जिस फैक्ट्री में मेरे बच्चे काम करते हैं उसमें विस्फोट हो गया. Now Chinnamma says that the cracker factory where her children worked, it exploded. अम्मा 7 बच्चे मर गए and 7 children died. मेरा लड़का तो बच गया लेकिन मेरी बेटी उसके हाथ बुरी तरह जल गए. So here the meaning is my boy survived but my daughter's hand got burnt. जिन पटाखों को वह पैक कर रही थी वे पटाखे उसके हाथ में ही फट गए. So here पटाखे means crackers and fat means exploded. So the meaning is mother says that the crackers which she was packing, it exploded in her hand. Next paragraph. आलोक को इस बात की खुशी हो रही थी कि उसकी जान बच गई. So he was sad, but at the same time Alok was happy because Chinnamma's daughter's life was saved. Next line. आलोक की मम्मी ने पहले जब चिन्नम्मा को डांट कर पूछा था. The meaning is Alok's mother had scolded Chinnamma and she asked, तुमने उसकी पढ़ाई छुड़वा कर काम करने क्यों भेज दिया. Here छुड़वा कर means made her to leave. So Alok's mother is asking Chinnamma, why did you made her leave her school and allowed her to work in the cracker factory. तो उसने कहा, now Chinnamma says, गांव के सारे बच्चे वहाँ काम करते हैं. So here गांव means village. She is saying that all the children of that village works in that cracker factory. उसका भाई भी वहाँ काम करता है. That means her brother also works there. हमने मकान के लिए जो कर्ज लिया था वह चुकाना है. So here कर्ज means debt. That means taking loan from the bank. So the meaning is the loan which they had taken for the house, they have to repay it. Next line. मम्मी बहुत नाराज हुई. So Alok's mother became very angry. Here नाराज means angry. उन्होंने पूछा, she asked, इस समय वह कहाँ है? Right now where she is. That means where is Chinnamma's daughter? चिन्नम्मा बोली, अस्पताल में. So Chinnamma replied, she is in the hospital. डॉक्टरों ने कहा है कि महंगी दवाइयाँ लेनी होंगी. So here दवाइयाँ means medicine and महंगी means expensive. The meaning is the doctor had asked to take expensive medicines. हम कहाँ से पैसे लाएंगे? So from where will bring this much money? Next paragraph. आलोक उसके लिए कुछ करना चाहता था. So after hearing this, Alok felt very sad and he wanted to do something for Chinnamma's daughter. उसने अपनी गुल्लक तोड़ी और पटाखे खरीदने के लिए जो पैसे जमा कर रखे थे वे लाकर चिन्नम्मा को दे दिया और कहा, लो इनसे दवाइयाँ खरीद लो. So after hearing this, Alok became very sad and he wanted to help Chinnamma. So he took money from his piggy bank and he gave it to Chinnamma for her daughter's treatment. And he said, लो इनसे दवाइयाँ खरीद लो. Take this and buy the medicine for your daughter. So this much for today. The other half of the lesson we'll discuss in the next class. Now you can see you have an activity. The activity is read the first 10 lines of this chapter, record it and submit in Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.